afternoon has temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Light wind in the passes. Wind advisory for the following areas in Washington, Bellevue and vicinity, Bremerton and vicinity, East Puget Sound Lowlands, Everett and vicinity, Hood Canal area, Seattle and vicinity, and Tacoma area. Wind advisory remains in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday. What? South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? Hood Canal area, Bellevue and vicinity, Bremerton and vicinity, East Puget Sound Lowlands, Everett and vicinity, Lower Chehalis Valley area, Seattle and vicinity, Southwest Interior, and Tacoma area. When? From 4 p.m. this afternoon to 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating high-profile vehicles. Secure outdoor objects. Flood warning in effect from this evening to early Friday morning. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Skokomish River at Potlatch. When? From this evening to early Friday morning. Impacts. At 17.5 feet, the Skokomish River will cause moderate flooding, with deep and quick flood waters inundating some residential areas, many roads, and much of the farmland in the Skokomish Valley. Inundated roads include the Skokomish Valley Road, Burgo Road West, Purdy Cutoff Road, and Highway 106. Additional details. At 10:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday, the stage was 16.0 feet. Flood stage is 16.5 feet. Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage late this evening to 17.8 feet late tomorrow morning. It will fall below flood stage Thursday afternoon. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Additional information is available at www.weather.gov. The next statement will be issued this evening at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Flood watch for the following county: Mason, Washington. The flood watch is canceled for a portion of northwest Washington, including the following area: Mason. The flood watch is replaced with a flood warning. You are listening to NOAA Weather.